Morning, guys. It's Miss Smith. I know you can't see me. I'm going to try something different today. I'm going to read you this book. It's called Cat Count, and it's kind of a math book, so I'm going to be using my whiteboard and my whiteboard marker. If you still have your whiteboard marker and your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker from Mrs. Black and I from Christmas, you can go grab yours real quick and do the math with me. If not, you can just watch me do the math on mine. Okay, so this book is called Cat Count. It's one of my favorite books. I know I say that about every book, don't I? I like all the books. So this is called Cat Count, and it's by Betsy Lewin. And as I read, I'm going to be adding how many cats we read about. Cat Count. Cat Count by Betsy Lewin. I have one cat, a fat cat, a fun cat. I have one cat. So this tells me right here, Squirt's playing with his toy. This tells me right here that I have one, so I'm going to make one tally mark because so far there is one cat. My brother has two cats, true cats, wild and ballyhoo cats, full of daring do cats. And this tells me to add two more because my brother has two cats. So I'm going to add 1, 2. How many cats do I have so far? I have 3 so far. My sister has three cats, glee cats. 2 of them are she cats. The other is a he cat. So I need to add 1, 2, 3. So here we go. 1, and now I'm at 5, so I need to make a tally mark. 2, 3. So far I have 5, 6 cats. My uncle has 4 cats, store cats, in and out of door cats. I know someone with more cats. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to add 4 more. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many do we have, friends? We have 5, 10 cats so far. My cousin has 5. Oh, there's my cat. My cousin has 5 cats, jive cats, very much alive cats. Count them all together. That's... My cat must want to be in this book. Okay, so I need to add 5. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it says count them all together. That's how many cats do we have? So let's see. We're going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. So far we have 15 cats. How many cats? 15. We got it right. Good job. If we count them, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cats. Graham has 6 cats, fiddling with sticks cats, full of funny tricks cats. So how many am I going to add? I'm going to add 6. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So far we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21 cats. My neighbor has 7 cats, reveling cats, prowling cats, and yowling cats, howling to high heaven cats. That's like my cat, howling to high heaven. All right, I need to add 7. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count how many we have so far. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28 cats. My teacher has 8 cats, great cats, proper and sedate cats, seldom ever late cats. So the teacher has 8. I need to add 8 more. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count how many we have now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36. The preacher has 9. 9 cats. Fine cats. Really just divine cats. Never out of line cats. So I need to add 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count how many we have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 cats. The farmer has 10 cats. 10 cats. Chasing duck and hen cats. Count them all again. So first we have to add 10 and then we'll see how many we have. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So it says count them all again. Let's see how many we have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 cats. How many cats? 55. But wait, there's a surprise. Uh-oh, what do you think the surprise is going to be? My fat, fun cat is no longer one cat. Add the new arrivals, So guess what? The fat cat in the beginning, look what she had. She had babies. Let's count how many cats she had. How many babies did she have? She had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. That's right, 60 right here. 60 is a 6 and a 0. It says, add the new arrival. That's too many cats. Look at all those cats, all 60 of the cats. Whew, that's a lot of cats. Do you guys think you could have that many cats? So at the very end right here, it says count the cats. So if I would have wrote it like an addition problem instead of my tally marks, in the beginning we had 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15. And then we added to the 15. So we did 15 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equals 55. But then that 55, remember the mama had 5 kittens, so 55 plus 5 equals 60. 60 cats. I think that is way too many cats, don't you? All right, good job today, guys. Thanks for reading with me.